Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hub that holds in the top spray impeller on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The top spray impeller hub holds the top spray impeller that uses water from the dishwasher circulation system to spray water down from the top of the dishwasher. During the wash cycle, water is moved from the main wash pump through the diverter assembly and up the main conduit assembly at the back of the tub. From there, the water is redirected by the top spray impeller held in place by the top spray impeller hub to clean the upper rack. Over time, the top spray impeller hub can crack, warp, or break and potentially cause water pressure loss. Mineral buildup or food debris may also clog the internal channels, restricting water flow to the impeller. If this part fails, you may notice poor cleaning performance on the upper rack, weak or uneven spray patterns, or water leaking from the top of the tub. In some cases, the impeller may not spin properly due to reduced water flow. Replacing a damaged or clogged impeller hub could restore proper water pressure and help ensure consistent cleaning across all rack levels. If you need to purchase a replacement top spray impeller hub for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair? A flat blade screwdriver. To access and replace the top sprayer impeller hub, first open the dishwasher's door and locate the impeller hub on the top of the inside of the dishwasher. This replacement can be easier if you remove the top rack, but it can also be completed with the top rack remaining in the dishwasher. For this video, we're going to remove it. To remove the top rack, lift the rack slightly to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so that the rear rollers reach the end of the slides. Lift the top rack out and set it upside down to prevent damaging the spray arm. Remove the top spray impeller hub by releasing either one of the two tabs on the impeller hub. Be mindful that the top spray impeller is nested in the hub and could fall out into the dishwasher. Once one of the tabs are released, pull the impeller hub off of the main conduit. Remove and inspect the top spray impeller for damage and replace it if it's warped, cracked, or in rough shape. You can now discard the old top spray impeller hub. If you need a replacement top spray impeller hub, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. To install the new top spray impeller hub, place the spray impeller in the new hub spoke side down. There's a small pointed spindle in the middle of the hub that the impeller rotates on. When properly installed, the three water channels of the impeller should be facing up. With the spray impeller installed, slide the tabs of the top spray impeller hub over the tabs on the main conduit. Be sure the tabs of the hub snap into place and it's held against the main conduit firmly. If needed, reinstall your upper dish rack, slide it back, and close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.